he was well off into writing children's stories. This was part of this was done for a purpose. He had this vision as a secular Jew, steeped in Jewish history and Jewish ethical values, and particularly focused on the lives of the prophets and their cry for justice and for freeing the oppressed, and dealing with the poor, that those were the values of Judaism that should be preserved. He didn't believe in any of the rituals. He thought those were no longer pertinent and should be discarded. Didn't believe in God. Was secular. So he felt that it was important for the newly arrived immigrants, these are basically from Eastern Europe, Russia and Poland, to have some way of continuing as secular Jews, continuing with still being Jews. And he looked to the Yiddish language to achieve that, an illusion as it turned out. But so he wrote these books in Yiddish for children to read, and the theory that all the children of that generation would be learning Yiddish and reading this and learning the traditions and what we've achieved over some 2,000 or more years of history would enable secular Judaism to flourish in America. That was the reason he wrote those.